These are elevators 11 and 12 at Westmoreland Hospital in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. And starting inside because there's an employees only sign there. And there might be a camera up to 7. Here we go up. These are originally Westinghouse. They were heavily modernized with Innovation Universal, probably by Otis, but I'm not sure. It's loud and vibrating. Not too loud though. It's pretty fast here at 7. Go back on the double beam. Not sure when these are from. I'll check the records for the permit number. It's basically a nice cab. It looks kind of like a snap cab, but it's not a snap cab. All the elevators in the complex have the same flooring, to my knowledge. I don't know why it says RA instead of G. It's really weird here. Back at double B. That's going to be it. There's a fire alarm on the floor. That's weird.